What's up, everyone? This is my front squat workout from today. My name is Ashim, by the way. So, as I have mentioned this before, I've been suffering from a little bit of lower back pain. It's towards my waist on my left side, and it's that sort of annoying, irritating pain, and I'm not quite sure what to do with it because on deadlift day it gets aggravated. So let me see. We are taking each workout as its own, and one step at a time. So this is today's front squat workout. It was supposed to be a heavy week. I did the best that I could. I'm actually really happy because this is the strongest that I've been on front squats in my entire life. I did 275 for 3. This is going to be 305 for 2, then 315 for 1, which is my max, and then 285 for 2 and 275 for 3. And I've never been able to do this much volume with weights that are this close to my max in one workout ever before. So I'm really happy. 305 for 2 was really good. 315 for 1 is going to feel even better to me. I could have done it for 2 reps, but I knew I was getting over excited, and I didn't want to push it because I would rather just take 315 for 1 with no pain and feeling really good and getting the depth that I want. And I was really, that's as deep as I can go. So I decided to do that next week. Now next week is going to be a light week, but the following week, if I am doing heavy front squats and if I work up to 315 depending on how I feel, I might do 2 reps. Let's see. I was going to be greedy, and last week we did a total volume of 11 reps, and this week I could have done 12, and that way I would have progressed in a way with both average weight lifted plus hitting my 315 max plus doing one more rep than last week. But I didn't want to do that because that's not the point. The point is just to get my bare minimum heavy stuff done. So 11 reps is pretty good. This is the last set, 275 for 3. After this I did 3 walkout sets. Between this set and the next walkout set, there is only that much rest as it takes to just unrack the bar with the 45 and then put 2 more plates on each side. So I did that's how quick these sets went. And between this walkout and the second walkout set, there's like 5 seconds of break, and then between all of these sets were done really hurried. I think I finished this entire thing in like 7 minutes. So because I was at the end of my time at the gym. They were going to close the gym. This was hard. 455 for 11 seconds was hard. I had a guy with a stopwatch counting, and you guys will notice with this following set that the lights go off and I'm pretty much in darkness. But it was a really good workout. I'm really happy actually. I think those workouts, when I go in with this attitude like fuck it, I don't really care what happens, those workouts tend to be really good. Maybe I should adopt this type of attitude for deadlift day. But no, for deadlifts, what I do is I let go of past baggage. I just approach the bar and take each rep as its own. So I'm gonna try to get myself to do that this week as well. That's the only way that this lower back pain is gonna go away. In any case, thanks a lot for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Thank you for your love and support. Thanks.